Hello student, my name is Irwal Kumar, your maths teacher, and please subscribe my channel and press the bell icons for the coming videos. Now we are going to do the pair of linear equation in two variable chapter 3 part 5. Please see the previous video up to 4 and then you come to part 5 so that you can understand the concept. Okay, now number 3, we are going to do the graph, that is the the third one is our parallel lines. Okay, parallel lines, how we can put the equations of parallel lines on a graph paper. First we have to take the equation. If I take just take an example, let's take an example, x plus 2y minus 4. I've taken this one as equation number 1. Okay, and equation number 2, 2x plus 4y minus 12 equal to 0. This is equation number 2. Okay, here you see, here will be a1 will be 1, x coefficient is 1, b1 will be 2, and c1 will be minus 4. Okay, here a2 will be 2, b2 would be y coefficient is 4, and c2 will be minus 12. Okay, here a1 by a2 equal to b1 by b2 equal to c1 by c2. Let's see this one. What is our a1? A1 is our 1 and a2 is our 2. Okay, now b1 is our 2 and b2 is our 4. Okay, here c1 is our minus 4 and c2 is our minus 12. So here made 1 by 2, so you can cancel this one, so you'll get 1 by 2, 2 ones are 2 twos are, here minus minus cancel, so here will be for you 4 ones are 4, 4 threes are 1 by 3. Here you see, this two ratio is equal, but this ratio is not equal, right? So what you have to do, you have to cross this one here, cross. Okay, so this can be written like this. Now this can be written as a1 by a2 equal to b1 by b2 and not equal to c1 by c2. Okay, so this parallel line ratio is the ratio of parallel lines is a1 by a2, b1 by b2 not equal to c1 by c2. Okay, now we are going to put this equation on a graph paper, the parallel lines equations on a graph paper. From equation 1, the first equation is x plus 2y minus 4 equal to 0. So x will be plus and minus 2y. Okay, so we have to make the table, as we know, table x and y. Okay, if I take the value of y, we'll get the value of x. When y is equal to 0. So x value will be 4 minus 2 into 0. 4 minus 2 will be 0. So x value will be 4. When we have taken the y value as 0, we have got the x value is 4. Okay. Again, when we have taken the y value as 1, then we'll get the x value, let's see, 2 into 1. So 4 ones are 4, 2 ones are 2. It will be 2. So y value is 1 and x value is 2. Okay. Again, from equation, this is our table 1. Okay. So we have to get the table 2 also, right? From equation 2. Equation 2 is our 2x plus 4y minus 12 is equal to 0. Okay. 2x, 12 positive minus 4y. So 12 minus 4 upon 2. So table x, y. Okay. So we have to take the value of y when y is equal to 0. When you have taken the y is equal to 0, let's see what we get the value of. Four into y value is 0. Y value is 0. I have taken 2. 12 minus 0, 2. So what we'll get here? 12 by 2. So we'll get here 6. Okay, 2 6 is 12. So we can say that when we have taken the value of y as 0, we have got the x value is 6. Okay. Again, in this value we have to take the second value also. Again, when y value is 1, then x value is 2 minus 4 into 1 divided by 2. So it will be 12 minus 4 ones are 4 divided by 2. Okay. Here it will be 8 divided, you will get a 4. Okay. So we have got the second value also in the table. In the table 2 is x value is y value is 1, then we have got the x value is 4. Okay, we have got the two tables also. Okay, now we are going to put this table on a graph paper. Okay, so this is the graph paper. We are going to put this table, what we have got, that table 1 and table 2 I have written here. Now this is our graph. Okay, this we know this is our x, this is our x axis, that is x and x dash. On right hand side is positive, left hand side it will be negative. This is our y axis and this is our, and upside will be positive and downside will be negative for the y axis. Now we'll put the value. Okay, for table 1, the x value is 4, the x value is positive 4, and y value is 0, so it will be here only. Okay, and again the other value for table 1, x value is 2 and y value is 1, so I can put here. Okay, so we can take this straight line. So This is a straight line, isn't it? Then for other equation, for table 2, we have the value, x value is positive 6 and y value is 0. It will be here only. Again, x value is 4, x value is 4, positive 4, these are 4, and y value is 1, y value is 1 is here. So again we can take this straight line, we can draw this straight line. See here, this in this, the two line is not intersecting each other. So first, for the first equation, it was this was for the first equation, right? For the first equation it was x plus 2y minus 4 equal to 0, and this for the second equation, 2x plus 4y minus 12. If the both line does not intersect each other, it is called parallel lines. So we call it, this is a parallel lines. Okay, parallel lines, and it has no solution. It has no solution because we'll not get any points from here. Okay, because it is not intersecting. So we can write here, for parallel lines, we can write, number 1, it is a parallel lines, and number 2, it will have no solution. It will have no solution. Okay, and number 3, it will be inconsistent. Why it is inconsistent? Because there is no, because that the two line does not intersect each other at any points. Okay, thank you. I think you have understood.